Hello awesome people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Getty and this is One Gem. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look. It's two space buns. You can wear them for running errands or just going to some fun events. I started off with stretched hair. Firstly, part the hair on the side. Make sure it's nice and straight. This is very important. Make sure that your line looks at least close to perfect, and then you separate the two sections into so that you can start working with one. I use a hairband to separate the hair to keep one bun so it doesn't distract me on the opposite side. Brush your hair. Make sure that you also wet the hair a little bit, because as for me, I always use Flaxseed gel, so I would want the hair to be a little bit wet, so I do that. Then I apply my Flaxseed gel. I like this gel because it doesn't really make my hair hard and it doesn't break my hair, so I really enjoy using this gel. I was actually trying to do some shortcuts here. What you should do, you should always part your hair into sections so that you start at the back with the gel and work yourself to the front. I was just being lazy here, so I started just applying the gel on top, and then I tried to work it in, but then I realized it wasn't really working out, because it's just I was not obtaining that lovely flat wavy look that I was going for. So guys, do not take shortcuts. Make sure that you work in your gel from the back, work it in sections, separate the hair, because if it's too thick, you want to obtain that lovely sleek look. So make sure that you section off the hair, then you brush it properly in, and then you can the hair will be nice and flat, and then you can obtain that nice flat and wavy look. So that's what I did, and I had to learn the hard way. I went ahead and did the second bun, and then I just twist my natural hair into a simple bun. Yeah, like if you really don't really like adding on extensions, this is also, you can also just leave it at this stage where you just you can twist your natural hair and just twirl it up into a bun, or it depends on what you actually prefer. Of course, this is also optional. Laying your edges, I really like laying the edges. It just makes the look extra nice, but it's completely optional. It's up to you if you prefer it or not. So this is honestly really up to you. But yeah, you know me, I definitely like my edges laid, and I went ahead and did that for both sides. What I'm going to use is Marley Braids to just add as a sort of extension to the bun, because I felt my hair wasn't really long enough, so I just wanted to make the bun pop a little bit more, but not really dramatic. So I decided to use Marley braid. But remember, first for my gel, because it's wet, I usually have to apply a head wrap, let it be on for 15 to 30 minutes or even longer, depends on you. Just apply the head wrap so that the gel can properly get dry, or at least close to dryness, and then it will just help the look pop. So I went ahead and did that. I was definitely happy with the outcome. Can you all see those waves? Oh my gosh. I really like this gel. But I did notice some parts were a little bit white. That just means that I have not properly worked in the gel in those sections. What you can do is spray a bit of water, work it in. Alternatively, you can also apply a bit of oil and just work it in. That can also help. I'm going to use Marley Braids. I decided, since I don't want a dramatic big bun, I'm just going to use 5 strands of Marley Braids for each bun. So I went ahead and separated the 5 strands of hair, put on the hair band so that I can then attach it to my natural bun. Just make sure it's not too tight, because you want it to be comfortable. Decided to twist the hair, and you don't have to make it perfect or precise. Just shape it as you go, and twist it and wrap. So that's what I did, twist and wrap. Because the Marley braids were behaving a bit like stretched hair, so to say, I could easily just twist it on around the bun and it was secured. There was actually no need to put hairpins, but if in any case you feel you do need to attach hairpins or attach an extra elastic band on top of the bun, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm busy with the other side. It's very easy demonstration. This is usually how I always attach my my extensions or whatever hair I'm using to just add to my natural hair. So alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm actually really happy with it. It's simple, it's easy, and not so dramatic. It looks natural. if you don't even properly look, you'll think it's actually my hair. That is the look I like going for, so that it blends so lovely. And yeah, do let me know in the comments if you like this look and if you'll try it out. It's simple, it's easy, it's not dramatic. And yeah guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you like the video, click on the like button. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.